We'll guide you through how to make a private server on Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A private server is a server you can control who can go and join, whether it be your friends or specific people. So to go and get started, go and find the game you want to go and make this for. I want to do it for Catalog Avatar Creator. Now, what you then need to do is go down to the bottom and over to the left of the play button, you'll see multiple users, that icon there. Tap on it and you want to press Create Private Server, like so. Now what you can do is go and give this a name. You can go and press Buy Now at the bottom. This is free. In some cases it's going to cost money, so it's going to depend. So we've now gone and done it. We can then go and press Customize. You can go and switch on Allow Joining, and you can also go and switch on Friends Allowed, and you can also add specific people there as well. To access it, we'll press the icon again, press Join Friends. We can then go and press Refresh in the top right and go and see our server there. Press the three dots to configure it and we can join it. Leave a like if you found this useful.